Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can sell on Bitstamp. So in order to sell on Bitstamp, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you'll have to go ahead and log in into your Bitstamp account, and once you're logged in from the home page itself, you'll be able to see multiple tabs located in the top left hand side. So from the list, you have to go ahead and tap on the market, and after you've done that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So here you need to go ahead and tap on the trade icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. So once you've done that, you'll be directed to this page where you have to go ahead and select the sell button, and you need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to sell, and if you're sure about it, just go ahead and tap on the sell button located right at the bottom. Then you'll be directed to this where you need to go ahead and enter in the link bank account so that the funds will be added to the bank account, and just go ahead and enter in all of that information and click on continue to preview located right at the bottom. Next page, you have to go ahead and enter in the currency type and all that, and just go ahead and tap on the information located right at the bottom. That you've successfully sold on Bitstamp. So in this way you can sell on Bitstamp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.